Hi students. So I'm going to bring you up to date with what I've done and give you a few ideas of how you might approach some of those building elements there. This is my south elevation, front elevation there, okay? And you notice that I imported in the PDF, that particular page, showing you how to do that. And I've lined it up with my south elevation here. Now I did that mainly to get these angles, right? To get the angles of the roof here and the angles of the roof there and the other bits and pieces. Okay. I'm just going to take that now and I'm going to hide that in view. Okay. So I said I'd show you how to get rid of the duplicate levels here. So I'm going to do that for you now. You hit VV on the keyboard. You go into Revit Links. Okay. You find your structural model, which is this one, and you hit this thing here by host view. Now that brings you to this dialog box and you hit by custom and then you go OK. And you go into annotation categories, right? And you have to make sure that this is by custom view as well. It might ask you that. And then you can come down to your levels here and switch them off. And I don't think I've got grids in there, but I'll switch them off anyway, just in case. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G, E, F, G. I don't see them there. Okay, so that's all right. And hit OK. And okay, I've done something wrong there. So let's undo that. VV on the keyboard. Revit Links by host view, custom. And then go annotation categories by custom. That's what I did there, right? So there's the grids there. We'll take those off and we'll take the levels off and go OK and OK. And they've disappeared now. So I'm only left with my architectural levels and grids here. All right. Now, that's view specific, so you'd need to go into the other elevations and do that as well. And the quickest way to do that probably is to go in and make a view template. So you can make a view template of that, and then that you can apply that template to the other views as well. All right. Let's go into a 3D here now, and I'll show you what I've done so far. Okay. So I created that roof, probably a little bit quick. It's a zinc roof. And I created a kind of a zinc facing wall here, and I put that health center entrance there. That is in architecture, and that is model text. See it there? Okay. I have, I went back into the structural model, and you can see that I put a render on the outside of the masonry wall that I brought around there. And so that's just hiding the brickwork because the site slopes down there. So I thought that would be the best way to do that. I put in a little, in the architectural model, put in a little entrance concrete floor, if you like. And I sloped that down to meet this one here. So we drive up here, you get deposited there, and out you go. Probably I should actually probably bring it up here as kind of a bit of a walkway there as well. Now you notice as well that I did my my zinc roof on the over the atrium area there, and I put in a zinc fascia around that. Now I need to tidy that up a little bit. And the gutter that I'm going to put in here, the secret gutter, I'm going to do in the details once 20 wall sections. Take care of that. Put in my glazing here, and that is the same process as we used there. It's just I cut out a hole in the wall, and I put in the curtain wall glazing and divided it up there. So I had a good go at these things here. Now that's just basically a wall I created. All right, it's called External Timber Finish 2, and it's just basically got timber on either side and a stud up in the middle of it there. So that's made in the factory and brought out on site. Here is a roof that I created, and it's basically just a zinc roof. It's the same as this one here. There's no insulation involved in it because it's outside, obviously. And it sits on top of those beams going across there. So that was straightforward enough. Now you see, I had an attempt at creating that kind of illusion there. Illusion. So what I used here, they're basically walls. Okay, so I created a basic a pagoda cladding is what I called it, and I just clad each of the of the columns there, and then this is created by a wall and a roof, two walls either side and a roof on top, two walls either side and roof top, two walls on either side and a roof on top. That's how I did that. All right. If you want to see that in a plan, put this up here. Now, I'm quite sure you guys will come up with a better solution than I have there. That was a little bit tricky to do because you had to get the angles, but I thought that was the best way to do it. Was using walls um, and a roof. Okay, sorry, my laptop is slowing down a little bit here. Now, so you can see, let's get in over there. Where is it? Cladding is in around there. I need to change the um, escape. Or you just need to change the view range here so that it cuts through that there like so. Let's see what this is at. Come on. Okay, it's 15. Yeah, it should be. Oh, do you know what it is? Haha, there's a nice little one for you. So I created those walls, and of course they are. If I go into the 3D, should be able to see those. They're structural. They're structural walls, and they're not showing up in the architectural model. So that's what I need to do. I need to uncheck the structure of those walls, and they will appear from there. Um, Sorry, my just the power on my laptop is I'm down to 9%, so that's why it's taken ages to regenerate these. Oh, there it is. There you go. Look, so they popped up there, and that's it. So just four walls. Yeah, I'll click on the wall and show you how I made that up. Uh, or maybe I won't because it's just gone too slow. Right. So that's where I am with the model. So I've more or less got the external completed now at this stage. And there's my basic wall pagoda. I'll hit edit type. Let's see if it comes up here. So what needs to be sorted? Well, I've not done any of the interiors as yet, so all of those need to be sorted. A bit of a tidy up on various different things need to be done. I'll show you the structure of that pagoda wall. So it's a zinc cladding, a wood batten, plywood sheathing. Okay, and then that goes. The zinc cladding goes the whole way around. So that's basically what that one is there. Okay, and okay, finish that out. So I need to sort out this roof. I need to sort out that roof. I need to sort out what we're going to do in terms of the parapet cappings and that type of stuff. But I have to say, I'm kind of quite happy with that now, and I like the use of the timber cladding here and the zinc in other spots as well. I'm going to zinc clad those extrusions there as well. They'll all be zinc clad. Got my windows on the back here too. I think. Yeah, so I've got my windows and doors in on the back here as well. And cladding there, there they are there. You notice as well that I went into the landscape model, and on the surface pattern, I put a surface pattern color on that. I put a surface pattern color on the grass of the topo surface here. Um, so that's what I've added in a couple of trees here as well, just to bring it up. So that's it for the moment, and I'll see you all on Tuesday, and we'll be there for questions and things. Okay.